I understand that Cabinet today, the Cabinet approved the Domestic Violence Judgment Register, or Jennie's Law. It was only a matter of months after Jennifer Poole's death that Jason came to the House here and discussed with myself and Jim O'Callaghan and Fiona O'Loughlin the shock of their family when they heard in court that the person who murdered their sister had previous convictions for domestic violence. They weren't aware of that, and nor was Jennifer. The legislation hopes to give families and partners access to previous domestic violence judgments. Taoiseach, I appreciate the progress we've made on this. I'd ask you to do everything in your power to ensure that the legislation is passed through the House as quickly as possible. I hope the Chief Whip will be of assistance here, and I also hope that across the House on the Justice Committee, where there's a lot of agreement on this bill, that we will all work together to ensure that Jennifer Poole and her family were one of the last to not know about previous domestic violence judgments against partners.
First of all, Deputy Mayor, I thank you and pay tribute to you for the role that you've played in advancing this issue and the work you've done with the Minister for Justice. This is an issue that you've championed for quite some time, Jason, and to all involved. That the Government did approve the Domestic Violence Judgments Register Bill 2026. Today, Mr O'Callaghan brought it to Cabinet. It will provide for judgments in respect of those convicted of domestic violence against a former partner or partner to be included on a public register. And we will seek to get this through the House as quickly and efficiently as we possibly can. And I know the Chief Whip is very much focused on doing that also. But it just goes to show that members of the House and backbenchers generally can play a significant role in getting legislation through. This is one that matters to many families.